Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. House and lot for sale. The size is 729 square meters. Lot area and the floor area is 137 square meters. 4 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath. So the house is around 10 years already. Pero according to the owner, lig-on daw na kaayo because during the kuan uh, kadtong linog, uh, earthquake, wala gyud maunsa. It was not damaged, never damaged, even just a single kuan crack. So lig-on daw kayo according to the owner. The price is 2.5 million pesos. Located in Balilihan Bohol. Just few minutes drive from National Highway. Then from Tagbilaran City, more or less 30 minutes drive. So nindot kayo ang location, guys. Na pod, nindot na pod. Bitaw. Nindot yun. Honestly. May nga kong honestly, nindot yun. So mas nindot ni guys kaysa mulukat pa ka og building permit. Then location wise, second lot from the concrete road or barangay road. So okay kayo, no? 729 square meters ang lot area for 2.5 million pesos. So mama ni istorya ni owner, 2.5 million pesos ang presyo. So what mahimo na, no? Kay mama ni iyang presyo. So this is the road right of way, no? Nasa road right of way. Wala na guys kanang klaro na gid na nga road right of way. So very nice. So approximately mga 50 meters po siguro guys from the concrete road. Mao na akong balanse, no? Pero at least klaro na kayo. Ano problema, no, sa road right of way nga ang price. Actually kung interested yun ta kay naingon man si owner nga mao gyud kuno yang presyo, fixed price, depende na lang. So it has a deep well pod, pwede pod ni ipakapin ang deep well nga why hubas-hubas kuno even during drought. So kina maayuhan kunog tubig. So mao po na istorya ni owner. So this is the interior part of the house. So nga na dirty kitchen. Then for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. And we will process transfer of title. So, maoki ni ang tabay, guys, na walay hubas-hubas. Okay? Thank you. Bye.